In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export video in Wave.video. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which export option to choose for your needs. First, head to the My Projects area inside Wave.video. This is your main library where all of your drafts, templates, and finished pieces live. Make sure you're signed in and on the correct workspace so you see the project you want to export. If you work with multiple versions, a quick preview here helps you confirm you're opening the right one. Next, choose the video you want from your list of projects. Hovering over the thumbnail usually reveals quick actions, but it's helpful to open the project so you can double-check the timeline, text, and any last-minute details. A quick scan for typos, logo placement, and audio levels can save you from having to re-export later. Open the project by selecting Edit Video. This brings you into the editor where you can make any final tweaks. Play through a few sections to confirm transitions, look smooth, and that your aspect ratio matches where you plan to publish. If you've made changes, give the project a moment to autosave before exporting. When you're ready, click Publish at the top right of the editor. This is your gateway to all of the export and sharing options. If the button is grayed out, wait for autosave to finish or make sure all media has fully loaded. You'll see several choices. Select Video if you want a standard video file for platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or your website. Here you can typically choose resolution and quality. Higher settings look better but take longer to render and create larger files. Choose GIF to export a short, looping animation without sound. Perfect for quick promos or reactions. Use Create from Segment when you only need a specific part of your video, like a highlight clip. Set the in and out points and export just that range. Pick Preview Link to generate a shareable link so collaborators can watch without downloading. This is great for approvals and quick feedback. Choose Current Frame as image if you need a clean thumbnail, banner, or a still for social. And select Current Frame as an image project when you want to turn that snapshot into a separate, fully editable image project. After you choose your option, let the render complete. Keep the browser tab open until you see the success message, then download or share as prompted. If you export frequently, consider naming versions clearly so everything stays organized in your My Projects library.